My name is Aman Vyas. I'm a client relationship officer at Healy Consultants Group. Today I'm gonna be talking about one of my recent engagement which I have completed in India for our US-based client. So it's basically an existing client. We incorporated their company back in 2016 and opened a bank account for them, and their business were going smoothly. But due to some regulations change in their current banking provider, they closed down their account due to the less transactions history and other stuffs. So they contacted us to get a secondary bank account for them on an immediate basis because their business was suffering. We immediately responded to them and prepared the quotation proposal, and client agreed on that, and we started the bank account opening processes. Once the client settled our fees for the bank account opening, we prepare a business plan for them with all the transaction projections and everything. And we were actually able to secure interest from two banks, two big international banks. Client was happy with both of them, but prefer the another one to go ahead. We started the bank account opening process. We scheduled a call with the banker, the vice president, and the president of the corporate banking with the client. We had to do a couple of calls, so that bank understand their business and their transactions, and then bank officially approved that we can go ahead with the process and do the KYC checks. We started the process remotely, and we prepare all the necessary documents for the bank, get it signed by the UBOs who are actually based out of USA, and the resident directors and the staff who are based out of India. So we started the process like this. We submit the digital documents to the bank reviewed it, all the KYC documents were notarized and everything. So basically in India, banks takes a good amount of time to do the KYC checks and everything. They have a huge list of documents which they require in order to get the bank account open, and we were able to get the compliance approval for them as well. And after that, we asked our client courier all the documents to the bank directly, all the original documents which were shared digitally previously. And after bank received all the documents, they requested us to schedule another call with the client for some clarifications. Once all the clarification has been done, within 2 weeks, within 2 to 3 weeks, bank released the bank account number for the client, and the internet banking after 1 week after that. So this is all about my engagement. I hope you liked it. Thank you.